Testosterone replacement therapy, also known as TRT, is becoming increasingly popular among men of all ages. This therapy has been shown to provide numerous benefits, including improved physical and mental health, increased energy, improved cardiovascular health, and even improved fertility. Testosterone is a hormone naturally produced by the body, but as men age, their testosterone levels tend to decrease. Low testosterone can have a detrimental effect on your physical and emotional health, leading to a decrease in energy, a decrease in muscle mass, an increase in fat, a decrease in libido, and even depression. By replenishing the body's testosterone with TRT, many of these symptoms can be alleviated. Here are 3 of the key benefits of testosterone therapy. 1. Improved physical health. Studies have shown that testosterone therapy can increase muscle mass, improve bone density, and improve metabolic function. It can also help reduce fat, improve cholesterol levels, and improve cardiovascular health. 2. Increased energy. Low testosterone can lead to a decrease in energy, but testosterone therapy can help reverse this, allowing you to feel more energized and motivated. 3. Improved mental health. Low T can also lead to a decrease in mood and an increase in anxiety and depression. TRT can help improve mood and reduce feelings of depression, anxiety, and irritability. If you think you may be feeling the effects of low testosterone, don't waste any more time thinking about it. Schedule a visit today with us at Men's Health Solutions, and let's get you back to feeling your best.